How you doing? We're going to show how to put the Sound Assassin in the new JL top. So you're going to get 15 pieces of Sound Assassin. One roller. Here's how they're going to go in. You're going to go two here, two here. I'm going to explain all this. 3 pieces on each side of this front. I will show those in a second. So here, can you move a little closer? I want to show where these pieces are going to cut off. This material is pretty soft. It cuts really easy with cheap scissors. The ridges here, the way your top's formed, you don't want to go over that. So these pieces are going to be basically cut off right here. And we're going to use that there. Cut that off. That there. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. There and there. And what you're going to do with this stuff, it works really easy. You peel the back off, it's sticky. You lay it down, you take this roller, and you roll it on. These rollers are a bit cheap. We give them out for free. Sometimes they pop off. You just squeeze those, pop them right back on. Okay. Now these pieces up here fit in almost perfect. You're going to want to take just a tiny bit off. Because like I said, you don't want to go up over this ridge. It kind of interferes with the... And you want to make sure these things go in these little 2-inch indentions that go down. The 3M tape is going to stick right here. The 3M tape cannot stick to this or the whole panel will fall off. It'll pull that off. That there, that there. So the only one you got to cut there is a little bit off of that. Now you're going to be doing this with your hard top on. It's pretty easy to do. This is basically like the 3M tape in, that if it's cold out, the stuff's kind of stiff and doesn't want to stick that great. The warmer it is, the easier it sticks, the more pliable it is. So that's the basic layout of how these panels are going in. Don't put them in this section right here because this is exposed. The panels only go here in the recessed area. Okay, so we had 10 pieces for the top part. You're going to get 5 pieces for this, 15 total. The way these are going to go in is you're going to put 2 in the longest ones. You're going to take 1 piece, eyeball it right down the middle. That piece is going to go in here. You're going to have some little pieces left over from this if you're so inclined to want to fill this little part in here. You can do that. This is going to go here. Piece there, and a piece there. So basically that's how it's going to go in. This roller fits perfectly in these grooves. It fits good in the other one. But these are going to have to be curved a little bit. Try to get them as best you can centered into the thing, into the little indent there, and just push them down. But that's how they're going to go in, just like that.